Welcome to Pouches and More, and today we'll prepare this simple bookmarker. It's very simple to prepare and it's got only 3 square pieces of fabric. So this is how it can be used. Let's check out the materials required to make this square bookmarker. We require 3 pieces of square fabric and all 3 measure 3¼ inches by 3¼ inches. One we have already fused with soft interfacing. This is hard interfacing measuring 2 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches. This is how we will be fusing it. The same goes for this fabric also. Now we are just going to fold this fabric in half to make a triangle. Here also the fusing measures 2 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches. So we are just folding it in the center like this to form a triangle. Now the fusing also will be making a triangle out of it. So we will be folding it in the same way. This is how we will get a triangle. But the fusing we are going to cut it and we are going to use only half of this. So right in the center we are going to make a cut over here. So one part of this we are going to use it. Now how we are going to use it is we are just going to insert it inside like this and align the center mark. There will be slight space left on both the sides. So we are just going to align the center mark like this and we are going to iron this. So we are just going to iron these two. This is already ironed. So we have stuck all the interfacing to the fabric and this is how it will be looking. Even the triangle has been fused with interfacing. So now we are going to put them together. For that we are going to take the square fabrics. Right side will be facing up. We are going to place the triangle on this. Just align the edges and we are going to place the other square fabric right side facing down like this. So the square fabrics right side will be together and the triangular fabric will be in between both the squares. So this is how it will be. We need to make a stitch all around. So right in the center if you see, the right sides are together and the triangle is in between. Now we will make a stitch all around. But we need to leave a gap. So here where the only squares are touching each other, there is no triangle, we are going to leave a gap. So on that edge we are going to leave a gap. We won't be leaving a gap where the triangle is. So all around we will have to make a stitch and we are going to leave this gap. This is the gap we will leave. We have stitched all around and this is the opening that we have left. Now we need to cut the corners. We will cut it right till the stitch mark, but we won't cut the stitch mark. So we have to take care not to cut the stitch mark, but we will be cutting it right till the stitch mark. So we will do that for the other 3 corners also. We are just going to cut it like this near the stitch mark. Now we are just going to finger press the seams and flatten them neatly. Now this is the opening that we left. So this side we have to be, we'll press it neatly so that it becomes easy while we turn it to the right side and make a stitch on this. So this will fold it very nicely. And we will do that for the other 3 sides also. Now from here we will be turning it to the right side. So with the blunt object, just push out the corners neatly. All 4 corners we need to push it out neatly, but take care not to poke it. Now once we have done everything, we are just going to fold this opening like this, and that is the reason we finger press the seams neatly, so it becomes easy once we turn it to the right side. So we need to make a stitch on this. We will be making a top stitch all over. So this is how it is. Our bookmark is ready and done. This is how it will be looking. We can also make different sizes. So this one is smaller and we have put a printed fabric on the back. Please do try this. Thanks for watching. Bye.